Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel. This is day 66. We're covering events that occurred yesterday, which was the 4th of November 2023. Started the day out going to the office, my office downtown, to do ACA sales. Had a pretty productive day yesterday. Then I went to the gym. Then after the gym, I actually did exercise later in the afternoon. I did 16 minutes on the treadmills after the gym, sort of shorter session. That's okay. Did the Remote Wellness Academy lesson, Remote Wellness Academy. Then I went to Publix, the grocery store, to pick up a prescription, and then I paid some bills. And that was pretty much all that I did yesterday, the 4th of November, day 66. Like, comment, subscribe if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.